Imagine earning millions of dollars with your Shiba Inu tokens, but the issue is, do you have enough? Big moves are happening, whales are returning, and they're creating waves in the cryptocurrency industry. The future of Shiba Inu may astound you, but what is truly taking place and why should you be thrilled? Let me clarify. Disclaimer Shibarium, Shiba Inu's Layer 2 solution, is clearly approaching a pivotal moment in its development with every new milestone. Shibarium, a project that swiftly rose to prominence within the Shiba Inu community, celebrates its first anniversary this month. Holders eagerly awaited the debut of this cutting-edge network last year, and anticipation was at an all-time high. From the start was anything from easy. When Shibarium went live in August of last year, the network was unable to handle the massive volume of transactions. The price of Shiba Inu fell precipitously as a result of the brief stall that rocked the community. The problem that caught the system off guard, according to developers, was the sheer volume of transactions. After a year, the network has changed, and the knowledge gained from those early days has influenced how it is now. After developers resolved the problems that initially caused the network to lag, Shibarium finally gained its footing. The platform was fully functional when the fixes were made, enabling it to realize its full potential. In a joyful social media post, the Shiba Inu team proudly highlighted some of Shibarium's most remarkable achievements from the previous 12 months. Significant improvements have been made to Shibarium, including 3 hard forks. The momentum has been increased by these updates, which have gradually improved the network's capabilities. A burn portal, a mechanism intended to permanently lower Shiba Inu's overall supply, was also introduced by Shibarium creators. The meme currency may have a bullish wave as a result of this move, providing a preview of its future potential. However, what if I told you that these achievements are only the start? Shibarium doesn't appear to be slowing down. Indeed, a startling 1,500% spike in daily transactions has been reported by the network recently. With over 28,000 transactions on Tuesday alone, Shibarium recorded a remarkable volume of activity. Compared to the 1,700 transactions that were previously reported just a few days ago, this is a significant increase. Shibarium has grown steadily since its debut last year and currently has over 416 million transactions. This quick expansion demonstrates the network's growing power and the high demand for its services. These figures suggest even bigger milestones in the future as Shibarium develops. Shibarium saw an unanticipated spike in activity last December, with the network processing more than 7 million transactions every day. The number of transactions increased from fewer than 10 million at the beginning of December to an astounding 237 million by January due to this extraordinary pace. This quick expansion demonstrates the high level of interest and demand that Shibarium was creating at the time. Investors are now paying notice to yet another noteworthy development: Shiba Inu's remarkable market resurgence. A major change has occurred with the return of whales to the scene. Shiba Inu has made a remarkable comeback, regaining its place in the trillion-dollar club despite having previously lost it. More than 1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens have been transferred in the last day alone. It is evident from this spike in activity that the meme coin is recovering. The long-awaited rebound appears to be underway as whales, who are renowned for playing a significant role in influencing Shiba Inu's price swings, return to the market. Large Shiba Inu transfers have significantly increased, according to recent data. In the past 24 hours alone, 57 significant transactions totaling more over 1 trillion Shiba Inu have occurred, according to Block. With the potential to drive Shiba Inu even higher, this spike in whale activity indicates that the movement is gaining speed once more. This spike stands in sharp contrast to the low volume of big transactions earlier this week, when just over 390 billion Shiba Inus were exchanged, a level not seen in a long time. With significant transaction volumes hitting 7-day highs, Shiba Inu whales are increasing their activities. This comeback coincides with the stabilization of the Shiba Inu price and a sharp decline in volatility, which points to a recent money outflow and possible decline in whale activity. However, now that liquidity and volatility have returned, whales seem more certain of Shiba Inu's potential, a positive signal that suggests the potential for additional price increases is the increase in whale trades. Whale activity can increase volatility even though it frequently drives short-term price fluctuations. As these significant transfers proceed, it is imperative to have this in mind. Investors should continue to keep a careful eye on Shiba Inu's price movement. While big deals are undoubtedly significant, they are not the only indicator of success for assets like as Shiba Inus. Despite the encouraging indications of a whale-driven recovery, it's advisable to exercise caution and refrain from taking unnecessary risks. Let's consider the possible future while keeping this in mind. The possibilities are causing analysts to buzz. According to CoinMarketCap, Shiba Inu has been constantly monitoring the price movements of Bitcoin over the past week in case it reaches new heights. Shiba Inu has declined whenever Bitcoin has declined, but it has recovered in lockstep with Bitcoin's rise. For Shiba Inus, this strong association could manifest in two ways. Shiba Inu may profit from the momentum and see a comparable boost if Bitcoin sees a major price spike. Fortunately, a number of forecasts indicate that a Bitcoin surge may be imminent. VanEck, a well-known asset manager, for example, made some interesting forecasts last month. With a bull case of $52.3 million, they predicted that Bitcoin may hit one of three of their possible targets by 2050. For comparison, the price of Bitcoin is currently just around $60,000. An incredible 87,000% increase in Bitcoin would be required to fulfill VanEck's $52.3 million forecast. According to CoinMarketCap, this is still significantly less than Bitcoin's all-time growth rate of 95 million. However, if Bitcoin had such a spike, it would undoubtedly rise sharply, which would lead to comparable swings in other cryptocurrencies, such as Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is now trading at $0.04. A huge increase from this point would propel Shiba Inu to a new peak of about $0.01. Reiterating its prior spectacular increase in 2020 and 2021, Shiba Inu would have to erase 3 leading zeros to reach such a price. It's crucial to remember that this scenario is still hypothetical. It is uncertain whether Bitcoin will have such a huge increase or whether Shiba Inu will see a similar uptick. The CryptoBasic recently disclosed that a sizable whale address purchased a significant quantity of Shiba Inu coins. Additionally, Sentiment verified that throughout the previous month, whales accumulated a massive number of Shiba Inus. It appears from this accumulation trend that these big participants are placing bets on Shiba Inu's potential future gains. Interestingly, if these whales wanted to attain a $1 billion valuation at aggressive targets of 1 cent or even 10 cents, the CryptoBasic, a renowned source for cryptocurrency insights, investigated how much Shiba Inu they would need to possess. 100 billion Shiba Inus would be worth $1 billion at 1 cent. At the moment, 100 billion tokens would cost about $1.3 million to buy. However, only 10 billion tokens would be needed to reach the $1 billion milestone if Shiba Inu achieves 10 cents. 10 billion Shiba Inu tokens would currently cost more than $130,000. Even though these numbers offer a compelling investment opportunity, it is still unclear if Shiba Inus can truly meet these goals. According to some experts, it is feasible. Market analysts, for instance, cited Dogecoin's prior results. Many investors were taken aback by Dogecoin's quick increase in value. According to them, Dogecoin's success demonstrates that sometimes the seemingly impossible can come true. This viewpoint is also in line with opinions of Shiba Inus. Many people are enthusiastic about Shiba Inus' future and believe they may reach comparable milestones. However, what do you think about that? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment below. Make sure to click on one of the videos displayed on the screen if you're interested in learning more. We have now reached the conclusion of this video. Please remember to leave a comment in the comment section and like this video if you liked it. When it comes to the YouTube algorithm, this is incredibly helpful. Let's spread the word about this so please share this video with as many people as you can.